taking her off. It might be a little stuck sometimes, but you put a little elbow grease, some muscle into it, and you should be good to go. Now we're removing the nozzle. And there you go. Let's see. All right, and this is what I'm gonna show you guys. You see this? So this nozzle is a, let's see, that number doesn't count. So it's a 0.85. So 0.85, 70 degrees A. So that's telling you it's less than a gallon an hour is burning. And this tells you the size or the number it uses. So in other words, like 90 degrees means an actual L or an elbow. So, you know, 180 degrees, half of 360. So it just tells you the size of the fire. So the fire, the smaller the number is narrower, the bigger the number is wider, just to give you a perspective.